Thought I'd get another picture or video of the puppies today. I don't think they've really changed in looks, at least not to me they haven't. But I see them every day. They will be 7 weeks old in 2 days. So a little shy of 7 weeks. Going in to get their shots and at Chicago. Jumping up my leg. There's Birdie. Where'd you go? There's Birdie. And Jax has got my pant leg. Yes, they are getting to that stage. They like to chew on pant legs. Hey, buddy. And there's Yogi. Yogi Bear. What? I know if I sit down, you guys are going to be all over me. I can't really get you real good, can I? These are running. In Chicago, we're going to have a wrestling match. What do you think? You're tougher than your sister, huh? Get him back, Birdie. And he's off. Mr. Yogi, you just want me to pick you up, don't you? I know. You just want me to pick you up. I know, but I can't yet. Wait till the video's done. He's just circling around me, crying. Oh, Birdie got Jax down. And there's Mama. Oh, Mama's here. It's blurry if I zoom in too much. Just doing this on my camera. And there goes Mama. She's got a stick in her mouth. She's trying to get him to chase her, but she doesn't realize she's too fast. Birdie and Jax. Oh, no, Yogi. Oh, no, that's Jax. I can tell from so far away. That's Jax. And there's Chicago. Hey, buddy. No, you can't eat the camera. Hey, Jax. Hi, Jax. This is I'm gonna hide under your legs. What are you doing, huh? Yogi's over there on top of Mom, I think. Here comes Birdie. I love watching him run. They'll be running and they'll just fall over. Still clumsy. It's Jax in Chicago. And Birdie's gonna join him. Yogi Bear! Hey! Come here, buddy! What are you doing? What are you doing over there? Following your mama around, huh? Come here, cutie. Hi! Whoop! See, that was a wipeout. Hi! Get a close-up. Too close-up. Yeah! Well, hi, cutie! Hi! What? Why? Do you want to give me kisses? Okay. You give me kisses off camera. What? Are you getting thirsty? I got you a water dish over there. Hmm? Oh.